In the last video, I talked about creating a sidebar with animation in React.js with Tailwind CSS. In this week's video, we'll look at how to create a similar sidebar with CSS. Here, I'll start by creating an index.html and style.css files. Let's start creating a simple HTML document. We will start creating a header for the desktop view first. I will have three sections inside the header tag, one for the image, one for all the links in the middle with UL and UI tag, and one for login and register button. We'll now start styling. We need to have style.css linked to the HTML file, so I will add my style sheet inside the head tag and then add classes inside the element. Now I'll go to style.css and we'll start by styling the links inside the UL and li tags. I will make sure that they are in line and are spaced out from each other. After that, I'll make the whole header inline and have it spaced out across the page. We will now go back to index.html and add the mobile view section. I'll have an image tag for the hamburger menu. Under the image tag, I'll have a div where everything inside the sidebar will appear. All content inside the sidebar is the same as the one in the header, so I'll copy and paste them down here. The main part in creating the mobile view to create responsiveness is the media query in style.css file. I'll use media rule to change style when the browser window is 600 pixel wide or less. Now everything that is for the sidebar is invisible. I'll now make the browser window less than 600 pixels to show what it looks like. The links for the desktop view are still visible, so I'll add styles to make them invisible. Now I've styled all the elements in place. We will need a little bit of JavaScript in order for the hamburger menu to open, the sidebar, and for exit button to close it. For this, I'll add onClick and a callback function to both hamburger menu and exit. I'll go back to the HTML document and add script tag after the closing tag of the body and add a function called nav function to it. GetElement by ID gives back an element while GetElement by class name gives back an array-like structure. So I'm using getElement by ID here to get a single element. Inside the function, we'll say if display property inside style.css is set to none, it will be changed to block. If the display property inside style.css is blocked, we'll change it back to none. So with every click, the function is looking at the style and is toggling between showing and not showing the sidebar.